How to log in to Bamu University. So if you want to log into Bamu University with your student account, then first open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with, and I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search bar and search for Bamu University student login. Once you've searched, here you will have user login on the first search. So Bamu simply means Baba Saheb Ambedkar Marathwada University. So simply go for the first search, and here it will take you to the login page. So to log into your account, first you need to enter your username on the first blank, and once you enter your username, you need to enter your password on the next blank. So enter your password, but if you don't remember your password, then you can go for reset password, which is here on the bottom, so that you can reset or recover your password. But if you remember, then simply enter your password. And if you want to save your login information on your PC or laptop, then click on remember login so that your information will be saved. But if you don't want to save, then unclick it. And once you enter your information, you can click on login. And after that, your account will be logged in. So that's it. That's how you log into Bamu University. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.